Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer accounts with Wells Fargo, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer accounts with Wells Fargo, begin by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. Navigate to the Accounts section from the main menu. Select the account you wish to transfer. Look for the Transfer Money option within the account details. Choose the account you want to transfer money to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Select the date for the transfer. Review your transfer details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied, confirm the transfer by clicking the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation notification, either on the screen or via email. If you are transferring from a different bank, visit the Transfer section of the main menu. Select Transfer from an external bank. Follow the prompts to add your external account by entering the bank's routing number and your account number. Wells Fargo may require verification of the external account through small test deposits. Once verified, return to the Transfer section. Select the external account as the source for your transfer. Choose your Wells Fargo account as the destination. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Select the transfer date and review all details. Confirm the transfer by clicking Submit. Check your email for a confirmation of the transfer. Allow 1 to 3 business days for the transfer to complete, depending on the method used. If you need assistance, contact Wells Fargo customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.